If you ever watch anime, you definitely heard this sentence, the big three. But have you ever wondered who are the new big three of this generation? Let's find the answer. Before we jump into the new era, let me explain what the original big three actually are. The big three refer to Naruto, One Piece, Bleach. These anime aren't just shows, they are absolute icons. Naruto taught an entire generation about friendship, sacrifice, and the power of hard work. The story is packed with emotional, legendary fight and character who feels real. One Piece. Do I even need to explain? Even people who didn't watch anime knows the name One Piece. It's become a symbol. You can see its flags everywhere, especially with Gen Z using it as a sign of freedom, adversity, and rebellion. Bleach might be talked about less, but it has some of the best side characters and villains in the shonen history. The power system, its style, its captains, everything feels unique. Bleach truly deserves your respect. If you talk about anime, you simply cannot avoid mentioning these three. They define a generation, shape the entire industry, and turn millions of kids into lifelong anime fans. And yes, Dragon Ball is legendary icon and one of the most influential anime ever created. But it's not part of Big Three. Why? Because this level was made for three series that dominated the same era at the same time. Dragon Ball came earlier and paved the way, but it wasn't part of that specific wave. Now let's talk about the new era. The new era everyone argue about. People actually throw names around like Jujutsu Kaisen, Chainsaw Man, Demon Slayer, Black Clover. But the real question is, can any of them truly replace the original big three? Let's break it down. If we talk about worldwide popularity, two anime clearly stand on a top is Demon Slayer and Jujutsu Kaisen. Demon Slayer became worldwide phenomena almost overnight. Its movie broke the record, earning over billion yen globally, become the highest gross anime film of all time. The insane animation quality from Ufotable combined with perfect timing turned into a cultural explosion. And to be honest, I am not saying the story is bad. It's emotional, clean and beautifully animated. But there are definitely anime with better, deeper or more complex stories. Demon Slayer's success comes from animation, timing and mass appeal. Then we have Jujutsu Kaisen, and its hype is on completely different level. Mappa's animation, the intensity of fight, and especially that one fight between two major characters. No spoiler, brought a massive wave of fan in anime. Second season alone become a global trend every single week. Both of these series did something important. They brought millions of new people into anime and changed the direction of industry. When it comes to story depth, world building and character development, two anime feels closest to the classic shonen storyline. Black Clover and Chainsaw Man. Black Clover has one of the most constant and true shonen of modern era. Strong teamwork, real rivalries, high power-ups, emotional arc and cast that keep evolving. And if you have read the manga, you already know how insane the stake gets in the final arc. No jokes, it's on whole different level. With the new season coming soon, I'm telling you Black Clover is going to break the internet. Then we have Chainsaw Man, which takes a completely different route. It's bring raw emotion, dark theme and character who feels painfully real. The writing is unpredictable, sometimes brilliant, sometimes shocking and sometimes heartbreaking. If you have read the manga, you know the feeling. You finish a chapter, close a book and say, what the hell I just read? And yes, it's frustrating. Every time you start liking a character, Fujimoto kills them like he is personally target your emotion. It's crazy, but the chaos is exactly what makes it unforgettable. If any anime today has a chance to become a future classic, to leave a deep emotional scar like old Gen, it's Chainsaw Man. If I have to be completely honest with you, no anime can ever truly replace the big three. Not because of writing, not because of animation, not because of popularity, but because we grow up with them. One Piece, Naruto, Bleach aren't just anime. They are our childhood, our first transformation, our first goosebumps, our first moment of pure hype. The level of nostalgia can never be replaced. Whether it's Naruto's emotional ending or One Piece legendary world building, I didn't think any modern series can come closer. Maybe some web novel like Lord of the Mysteries get closer. And yeah, I also wrote my own own web novel. If you want to check it out, link in the description. But anyway, back to the topic. If I had to choose big three of this generation, my pick would be Jujutsu Kaisen, Black Clover, and Chainsaw Man. These three, in my opinion, represent the strongest mix of popularity, hype, and the storyline. But that's just my opinion. Now I want to hear your thoughts. Which anime do you think deserve to be the new big three? Tell me in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next anime story.